show you how to do 1-point perspective. Using a ruler that's triangular like this is helpful because you can hold it on the top. And this tool right here is called a triangle. It's good for making nice straight lines, and you can use it with the edge of your desk to get parallel lines. The first thing we're going to do is make a horizon line. I'm going to turn my paper this way and use my triangle along the edge of the table. Make sure your paper is up against the edge, and I'm going to make a horizon line right at the top here. I'm using a black pen so you can see. You'll want to use a pencil. So there's my horizon line. The horizon line is where the sky meets the land. Now if I want to draw a cube in 1-point perspective, I'm going to start with a shape, the front of the cube. And to do that, I'm going to use my triangle. I'm going to start with this shape right here. There's one side of my cube. Here's the other side. I'm going to turn my paper to finish off my cube. Alright, so I have a shape. I started with a square. The next thing I'm going to do is give myself a vanishing point. The vanishing point happens on the horizon line, and it's where everything comes together. So I'm going to put my vanishing point right there. In order to draw this shape into a cube, to turn the square into a cube, what we're going to do is we're going to take the edges and bring them to the vanishing point. So you can use your triangle or your ruler. Take that corner, bring it right to the vanishing point. The next corner, right to the vanishing point. And the last corner, right to the vanishing point. So now I have this form that goes all the way to the vanishing point, but we would like a cube, something that stops, that doesn't keep going. So we're going to decide where it ends. I'm going to use my triangle. Make sure it's flat against the edge of the table there. I'll slide it back and forth until I decide what size I would like my shape to be. And from this point here, I'm going to have to draw a line across the top. And in order to do that, I'll turn my page, use my triangle again, and slide it right up to that point. And now I have a cube in 1-point perspective. I have my horizon line, my vanishing point. I started with a shape. I took the corners of the shape back to the horizon line. Then I cut the shape off where I wanted it to be, on the side and on the top. Now these lines here are parallel, and these two lines here are parallel. Now, if you want to think about a cross contour line, the cross contour line goes around the form. So in the front here, it's going to be flat. It'll be parallel with this line. So I'm going to use my triangle to create a cross contour line across the front here. I'm going to make 2 of them. Now, to show this form, the line is going to bend around the form and go back to the vanishing point. So I'm going to use my ruler. And instead of drawing it all the way back to the vanishing point, I'm going to stop at the edge of my shape. Right there. And notice my ruler is all the way back at the vanishing point, but my line, I can stop right there. So you can see those are cross contour lines showing the form. Now you can also do cross contour lines in the other direction. So we'll do 2 on this side. Do 1 here and 1 here. Flat on the front, then these are going to go back to the vanishing point. Again, I'll use my ruler, and again I'm going to start here and stop at the edge of my block. Gets a little tight in there. There's another set of cross contour lines. Now there's a third set you can do right here, and we will do that now. Again, you're going to take your triangle, one there, one there. These lines are going to go across. They're going to be parallel to these top lines. So we'll turn the paper, use the triangle, like that, and like that. Now we have a cube in 1 point perspective with cross contour lines.